Annyeong, what's positive fam? I'm the Last Moon, and to kick off this brand spanking new year, I'm going to be showing you my gaming PC for 2016. Now I'm going to do this in the most douchebaggery way because I thought it'd be kind of funny. So first of all, step one is complete. I have my polo shirt. Step two is to pop that collar. That's douchebaggery. Step two. I have now ascended to Super Saiyan douchebag 2. Now, to finally put it off, to finally defeat Majin Buu and ascend to Super Saiyan douchebag 3, I'm gonna need to wear some sunglasses indoors. And we got a whole arsenal here. Let's see. Is this? Oh, this could be. Nah, that's not good enough. All right. Well, how about this? This is. Ooh. That's promising, but it's not good enough. This only says my mother is the kind of person that says, "Can I speak to a manager?" Not enough. Alright, this is it. This is the kind of sunglasses where my father is a lawyer. Alright, so let's start it off. Kicking off our components for my gaming PC is the Asus X99 Sabertooth. Now this is an amazing motherboard. Really looked into it and I found one that was rock solid. That's Asus's model. But what I really like about this is the dust defender. Basically, right there is a little slot for a fan. Now this fan is essentially turned on after every time you turn off your gaming PC. What ends up happening is that it circulates air throughout your motherboard, and it's part of the whole dust defender component. And you've also got little plastic add-ons for each of the extensions, if you will, for each PC that is not used. And so what that essentially means is that you get some dust prevented, and it's really nice because my area is kind of really dusty. But okay, now next going on to the meat of the PC. This is the NVIDIA GeForce 970 GTX, and I love this puppy so much. It's obviously not in this box because I'm using this whole computer to make this video, but this is about 4 gigabytes of a GPU, and it's amazing. Oh, I was thinking about getting dual SLI, but honestly, don't really need it. Now, as far as memory and processing power goes, I have an i7 5820K 3.3 gigahertz hex core unit. It's amazing. Too much for me, honestly. I don't really need it, but it's future proofing. And as far as memory goes, okay, so I got 32 gigabytes of RAM. Now, a lot of people would say that is just too much RAM. That's amazingly high, OP, but whatever, we'll see. We're gonna need it eventually. Now, as far as power goes, this is the Corsair RM850, 850 watts of pure juice, steroids. Oh my goodness, this thing, literally, here's the thing, this has drawn so much power that my utility electricity bill has raised from $25 to $100 plus. Insane. But anyway, moving on. As far as auxiliaries go, I have the Logitech C920 Logitech HD 1080p camera. That's what I'm actually using to record right now. It's very nice. I really highly enjoy it. And as far as keyboard goes, I have this puppy, the SteelSeries Apex gaming keyboard. Now, the really cool thing about this little baby is that it's got right over here, if you can see, it says active zone illumination. What that means is that each one of these colors, it's chroma by the way, if you haven't noticed, and it's that each one of these zones can have a different color scheme. And the best part about it is that they even have alternating colors, such as a rainbow scheme, so you can have different rainbow schemes for each area of the keyboard. It's really nice, really easy on the eyes. Not necessary, obviously, but it's got about 22 different macros. I really like it. I really enjoy it. And it's got 4 different modes that you can press on the keyboard on the fly. It's really nice. Now, what I really like though is this very popular mouse. I'm sure you have encountered it at some point if you were looking for reviews on mouse or a really good gaming mouse, but it's the Logitech Proteus Core. I believe it's G502. Now this mouse is really cool because it's got 3 different modes, and not only that, it's got about 5 different macros on the keyboard itself, and it's ergonomic for right-handed people. It's amazing. Oh, I mean, look at it. Look, it glows. Okay, it's not really that cool. It glows, whatever. But still, really like the fact that I can not only change my DPI settings, but I can also switch it to different modes. Now, finally going on to the last bits. As you can see, this is a Blue Yeti microphone. Right over here. Got a little box for it. Neato. Now, what's really cool and what's really important, especially if you record like me, is that you have an arm stand and a pop filter. Now, a pop filter is really important. If you've watched my Let's Edit video, how to edit Let's Play videos, then you'll understand why. There you go. But we're gonna see how all of this is built together. So, hope you enjoy. Here in my garage, got this new. Yo, I can't do this anymore. The freaking level of douchebaggery is unreal. I can't. It's just not me. All right, so let's get down to it. So basically, what I have here are two monitors right over here. Dual monitors, very important. Highly recommended. It just enhances your experience, honestly. And we're gonna go a little bit closer to the other side of these two desks. Now, this is a Tractor Control S2. This is really cool. It's a DJ controller. I used to DJ back in the day, for those of you who don't know. Still love it. Electro House. But here is the what's even cooler is this. The laser holographic projector. This baby is amazing. Oh my goodness. It's bright right now, so you can't really see it. But let's get to the heart of what we came here for, the gaming PC. Ooh, yeah, just ire up and down. Look at that. Got that freaking colored fan with the lights. Oh, red's my favorite color too. Here, I'll give you a nice front side view as well. Oof. God, I also forgot to mention as well, but this has a liquid cooling unit. Very nice. Keeps my computer cool, and it's very silent too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Really hope you did appreciate it. And for every like that this video gets for a limited time only, you will get this gaming PC for free. That's right. But here's the thing. If you call the number on your screen right now within the next 10 minutes, you'll get a second one of these absolutely free. Plus shipping handily. No scam. I am a Nigerian prince, and I approve this message. But in all seriousness, really appreciate the fact that you guys watch this. And if you're ever having a really bad day, then let me know. Keep it positive. Yo, I know. I bet some of you guys are thinking like, damn, laser holographic projector? I'm trying to see that. Why didn't you show it? Well, you know what? I got you, son. I got you. Look at that. Oh, man. That is just beautiful. Oh, wow. Yo, I had this ever since college. Friggin' trippy, man. Trippy. A lot of great memories. It is amazing. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And always remember, keep it